Hi, today I'll show you how an app called PortableApps Suite works. PortableApps Suite is a multilingual collection of portable applications integrated into a single menu that you can use to run them directly from your USB drive or other portable devices. The suite installs several apps on your PC, all of which are portable. Furthermore, all apps are included in a single menu that is basically the main window of PortableApps Suite and acts as an application launcher, so easy access is definitely not a problem. If you want to have other portable apps in your list, you have the option to install new ones and integrate them into the menu. Apart from that, the menu also includes music, pictures and videos folders which you can use to organize your media files on your portable device just like you do on your PC. Another benefit offered by this application is the ability to back up files on your portable device using the built-in backup utility. Performing a backup job is easy, as you have to follow a few simple steps, guided by a wizard. You can choose to perform a full or custom backup, as well as compression mode. PortableApps Suite is a useful app that offers you the possibility of having the most used applications at your disposal wherever you go. You can carry your web browser with all your favorite bookmarks, edit your documents with the Portable Office Suite, run virus and error scans, and store passwords and account information, all from a portable device. See you next video, and now some music.